Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with another Destash video. And this will be PayPal, friends and family, US only, 18 years old or older, and please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation. The comments below will be deactivated, so you have to respond if you're interested in this Destash via email at fphandmade@gmail.com. So email me if you're interested. This Destash lot is $75 ship. So let's get started. So first off, I have this really pretty stamp by Penny Black. It's a clean stamp, and it's called Branch of Grace. It's really pretty, and it stamps out beautifully. Then from Fawn, I have this Blue Sky stamp and die set. The stamp set is stained, but it works perfectly well. And then there's the die set. Then I have from Gina Marie Designs that's really pretty die, and it's a hexagon center die. It's the Gina Marie. Then from Fawn, I have this really cute Teletubby stamp and die set. It has the little cat, which is the little, I guess he's reading the future or whatever, and then the die set. And then I have the How You Bean stamp set. It has the little beans and then the faces for the little beans. Super cute. And I also have the add-on set. This is called Stars. It has different sentiments. And I do have the die for the stars. And next we have the Salon Fun die. It's called Slide On Over, and it's for you to make those interactive cards or action cards where the little character slides. It's called Slide On Over. Then from Amy Tangerine, I have this Rise and Shine die set. It's Amy Tangerine. And then from Martha Stewart, I have these really pretty intricate dies. Martha Stewart. And then on the back I have some candles. These were from AliExpress. Have these number dies, and I purchased these off of AliExpress also. And then I have this cute little rabbit box die, like a little treat holder, as well as these. This is from AliExpress, and these are just additional dies that I have in my collection that I'm no longer using. And this is another Lawn Fawn die set. I don't have the original packaging. Will be shipped in this envelope here. And it's the Scallop Box die set. And if you check out on YouTube, there's several videos to show you how to do this. It's really cute. And then last but not least, I have this a 15-piece die set by Karen Bernstein, and it's the Twisted Panel Pop-Up card die set. So you make that really pretty card. And so this is my Destash, and once again, it's PayPal, friends and family, US only, 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation, and you need to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com, and this Destash is $75 ship. Thank you guys.